To download Cash App on your Android phone, we'll first find the Play Store, which looks like this. If you don't have the Play Store on your home screen, swipe up to reveal the app drawer, and then find the Play Store from there. This is your marketplace for all app downloads on Android. If you're logged into a Google account, you're all set and ready to start downloading. If not, you'll be asked to log in first. In the Play Store, you can browse recommended apps and top charts, or you can search for a specific app. I'll search for Cash App, and it'll show up on the top. Sometimes the very first result is an ad, so keep an eye out for that. Tapping the app shows more info, technical details, user reviews, etc. Then tap Install to download and install the app. Once your app is ready, you can tap Open, and you're ready to log in and start using the app. After downloading the app, you'll find it in your app drawer. You can tap, hold, and drag it to your preferred position if your app drawer is set to use a custom order. If you want the app on your home screen, you can tap, hold, and then choose Add to Home. And that's it. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.